experience the difference of a quarter moisturizing cream. New Dove.
Pure, luxurious, and deeply moisturizing.
Right on time.
We need to review the schematics before the shift starts.
Agreed. Let's head straight to the control room.
The intake hopper is clear. Good, let's start the run.
How are the pH levels looking?
Stable at 7.0, Supervisor.
Good. And calibration on line 3.
Done. Ready for activation.
Phase 1 complete. The entire Dove soap production line is now fully operational, running in perfect synchronization.
The titanium dioxide and moisturizing agents are ready. Begin the blend sequence now.
Starting the sequence.
The sensor readings look stable, Carlos.
Yes, Supervisor. Temperature and clarity are optimal.
Ready for transfer.
Open the valve slowly.
Pressure is stabilizing. We are good to go.
Keep an eye on the consistency of this batch. The flow seems a little fast for the mixer intake. Control, this is line 3. Temperature holding steady at 45 Celsius. pH is good.
Copy that, line 3. Maintain visual inspection on the extrusion.
The curvature on this one is perfect. Yeah.
Agreed. Send it through.
The signature fragrance is perfectly balanced. The lipids register high on the sensor, and the texture is excellent. We can approve the batch.
Looks like we have full clearance on the Dove shipment. Excellent, let's keep the line moving.
Scan complete on Unit 7. Confirmed. Ready for palletizing.
Bring it straight back. Watch your clearance on the left.
Yeah.
That's good. Set it down right there. Looks secure.